In this video, you are going to learn what option trading actually are and how you can start to trade options right now from today in a profitable way. So if you are excited, then please do like this video and let's dive straightly into our topic. I'm going to show you practically what exactly option trading is. And in order to help you to make maximum amount of right trade, I'll explain about signals and social trading, or it is also called copy trading, in just few minutes. Similarly, the platform that you are seeing right now is called Pocket Option, and this platform has a special function that is called tournaments. If you click on this tournament, and you can just go to this upcoming, and every 24 hours you can participate in this free tournament. You can pay for this tournament, but participation in this tournament is absolutely free. And you can just join their tournament and trade binary options inside Pocket Option. And if you make good amount of profit by trading in tournament, then you will win these kind of funds for absolutely free. And in order to help you to make maximum amount of right trade, I have some of the guidance, video guidance, which I will provide you later in this video. So now, without doing any delay, let's get started. So what exactly binary options are, or option trading is? So let me make it absolutely simple for you. So you are seeing this is a market, okay, and the candlestick that is forming at here is a 5-second S5, okay. Similarly, the time frame is 5 seconds. That means this one candle expires in 5 minutes and our trade will also expires in 5 minutes. That means if I invested $100 and clicked on lower, and if the price of the assets when this expiration time is over is below from the place where I have made this trade in this way, then I'll make the profit $92. But if the market crosses over this red line, then I will make loss. Here you can see I have made the profit. Similarly, market is at here. Now I can click on higher, and if the market remains above from this place, then I am going to make money. If the market remains below, then I am going to make loss. So I made a loss at here. So in simple and practical way, this is called binary options trading or options trading. Now you do have the flexibility of selecting time frame, okay. So you can make these candles to 10 second, 15, 30, 1 minute, okay. Let's make it 1 minute. And trading expiration time also you can select 5 second, 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute. And whatever time frame you are selecting, according to that your trade will be executed. So let's say, for example, market is currently at here and I think this will fall down, so I click on lower, and you can see if this market is below from this point after 55 seconds is over, then I'll make profit. And if when this expiration time is over, if the market is above this line, then I'm going to make loss. So what we just now did is we extended our time of trading, okay, expiration time and this candlestick. So now I'll quickly explain you about this signal which can help you in trading. So let's click on these signals, and you can see there are several signals that is being provided to you in real time. You can just click on this copy signal and this will make an automatic trade on this currency pair for this amount. You can even increase or decrease the amount in this way, okay, by doing this plus and minus. So this is a headache free strategy which you can use by directly copying this signal. So now another thing is called social trading. So basically what social trading means is you are going to copy the trade of other people. So as you can see here, this person have made this much amount of profit, okay, in their demo account. And now what you can do is you can simply click on this person's profile and check out all of his status, okay, and you can just click on this copy and you will start to copy the trade that he executes in your account, okay. So let's say he made a trade of $100, and if you have copied his trade by selecting 100% of his investment, then your account will also automatically invest $100 at the same time when he have executed his trade. So this is called copy trading. Now if you find out these people who are actually making profit on a regular basis, then you can simply make a list of these people and keep on investing your money in autopilot way and keep on making profit in options trading. And in detail, this strategy I have explained in my this exact video, profitable way, how to copy trade, social trade with pocket option. I have explained in detail how you need to find this person who are making regularly profits, and you can watch this video. Okay, simply, if you also want to create and verify your pocket option account, and if you don't have a pocket option account, then I will give a link for the pocket options official site from where you can get a good amount of deposit bonus also. I'll give that link in the description. You can use it and watch this video. Okay, I will give the link for this whole playlist. Okay, one link I will give, and you will be able to watch all of these 4 videos where I have shown you some of the best way to make trading inside pocket option, and also I have shown you how you can create and verify your pocket option account, and I'm giving it away for absolutely free to you. And I'll only ask one thing: please do like this video. It will help me to know that you are liking this kind of contents, and I can bring more this kind of content that can actually help you to become a profitable option trader in upcoming days. So if you have any question related to option trading, then please do comment below. Okay, and I'll be more than happy to answer you in the comment section below. So take care, have a great life ahead. Bye bye.